boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody have a good Monday. And for the rest of the week, I wish you a productive week. So people, disclaimer, I'm not necessarily in studios today. Yo, people don't want to see what they behind the little backdrop right there. So. But anyway, you know say the show must go on. So pardon me if you hear Kiara drive past and Chuck drive past and all these things, because I'm gonna know me do the in studios today.
No me start me money so me alright now. Jump na the fix so me want drive out.
So people, first thing we want to talk about is the late ONEY British from out of the British Link Up crew is Candlelight is tonight, you see me? And it's going to be held at 4 Oakland Crescent, Kingston 11, you see me? So you can roll out if you can, if you support him, you see me? Go support the family and all these things. Only if you are close friends still. Well, then put the post publicly, so I guess they might invite the public. His wife put up the photo. I'm not gonna put his wife's name in the video still, but his wife put up this photo along with this caption: "I will light a candle for you to shatter all the darkness and bless the times we shared. Like a beacon in the night, the flame will burn bright and guide you on your way. Oh, today I light a candle for you. The season come and go, and I'm weary of the change, but it will be impossible to move on. You know it's never the same, and when I'm walking alone, do you hear me call your name? You hear me sing the songs we used to sing. You fill my life with wonder. Touch me with surprise. I always saw something special deep within your eyes. And through the good times and the bad, we carried on with pride. I hold on to the love and the life we knew. Mr. H, my king, I'm lost without you." Yo, John Star, yo. I feel that one day in every line, you see me? I want to say condolence again to the family, condolence again to the wife, you know, say they are newlyweds, you see me, and this happened. So it's just an unfortunate situation, you see me? But we have to move on, so you go. Anyway, people, wanna check out that song here by adv, All Right Now.
One time life hard like whoa. No me start me money so me alright now. Jump na the fix so me want drive out. Born as a star, live the star life now.
So people, this song is produced by Marvoni Record, Shoe Block Record, and More Music. So that are my production and all these things. So I have an hands in this production, in this whole production. So people, me have left the link in the description. Me not gonna do an in-depth review on it yet, but an in-depth review is definitely coming. So more want to support the song. You see me? It's a nice song. Me think it's a nice song. So uno tell me what uno think in the description and make we listen it again.
These days me try stay to myself, me need money and me don't need friends. Show black couldn't be no weak friends, 357 on my defense. Father got me sick, believe in never fail me when me need strength. Fake friend like when you're doing well, but now I you feel good like them.
So people, more have to say happy birthday to the first lady herself, Michelle Downer. You see it today at the Angel birthday. I don't know she how much still, but more have to say happy birthday to she. And a bag of controversy a grown Michelle Downer, you know, a grown the Angel. First thing, she respond to Marcus with this video.
Angel, where's about BUJU?
What's about BUJU? Yeah, they are run by BUJU Bantan. You sing DJ Marcus produce song. So why my name fear call up? Me never the file. I BUJU me want put one phone. But if you want to start, me get the blame. See you next show. Me are going to talk. I want to see you. Check it.
So basically, she say, yo, Marcus, me not do that something there. A pedophile something you talk about. Make we deal with BUJU Bantan. But the Angel, big man level still. How much icon you want grown in the business? Big up yourself. So yesterday she performed a Chug It. Me I try look for a video clip to show you where she performance and stuff like that. Me can't find it. But guess who steal the show? Lady Mackerel herself. Everywhere me turn, other video here me say, I'm want to show you it as well. So check out Lady Mackerel. That's Ladesha Mackerel herself. She a wine pants somebody man. Me definitely know say I must smarty man that she had that short pants. And I go on the most way. But people, me a scroll and I find the article here. So people, this lady by the name of Fashionista claim that Angel thief whole her style them. And me a go read the article here from the Star. The Angel stole my styles. Back to. The woman say artist is not giving her credit. Majestic Gardens resident and fashionista Frederica Campbell said she is asking dancehall artist The Angel to desist from copying her fashion styles and give her credit that she deserved. The 37-year-old who goes by the name Frederica Styles said one of the things that stand out most is the current hairstyle that Angel flaunts, that she believed that the artist shamelessly copied from her. I was out by 3 miles and when I buy a star, I see the Angel in the cute wand, the hairstyle that I used to wear that get down to my knees, she said. So people, a bag of things are going right this up on the Angel birthday. Me personally, I don't know, I don't even know this person. So if you don't know this person, you just comment in the comment section below. You see me? So people, I go leave you with the new song by adv. When you want to know, go over the page. The link I got in the description. Just tell him, comment and say a Chaddy send you. Comment and tell me if you like the song. Comment on my video and tell me if you like this video and all these things. If you are watching on Facebook, don't forget to leave a like. If you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, and follow over Facebook as well. You see me? It's Chaddy Murray TV right across the board. You see me? It's a boy DJ Chaddy. And people, I'm out.
One time life hard like whoa. Now me start make money so me alright now. Jump now the peak so me want drive out. Born as a star, live the star life now. The star life now.
Yo, Chaddy Murray TV. Make them know say, see that one here? Flagger exclusive. You hear that? Chat them a chat. Make them know you do it. Yo, Chaddy, yo. Me not too sick, my kinda mental. Gringo, so when I run forget gyal. Can't lock we down dog, this an essential. Yo, Chaddy, I'ma tell you we got them gyal. Real vlogger style, yo, what's all the things set? And no show thing where you see where you get. Yo, Chaddy, what them a ball and a fret. So the one they gone know put 2 in him chest. Haha, yard man thing, so the thing set. Hey, we fully strap, rubber grip, Durex. The vibes right and we not too left. Watch out, I grade the real
Chaddy Murray news. We love it. We shoot some vlogger out of them shoes. Left body back. The style where Chaddy have, them love it. Some vlogger back it full of oil. You must say mad. Yo, Chaddy, I know I can't use that.
Angel, where say about BUJU? What is about BUJU? Yeah, they are run by BUJU Bantan. He sing DJ Marcus produce song. So why my name be a call up? Me never find a BUJU me want put one word. Get the blame. See you next show. Me, I want to talk. I want to see you. Chaddy.
Yeah, me I send a Chaddy Murray TV. As me I say, no, that one the vlogger exclusive. You see me? Tear them up.
Chaddy Murray refuse, we love it.